Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Rae of DivaMePlz, a beginner nail tech, showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I will be doing a quick unboxing, a mini review, and some swatches of these products from Born Pretty that I was sent so that I can tell you guys how they are. So if you guys have not checked out my last video, make sure you do and see how I came up with this nail set using some gel polishes from Nail Addict. We'll definitely link that video above so that you guys can check it out. But let's get straight into today's video. Let's unbox Born Pretty. I'm gonna start with the smaller box here. Alright, so we have some base coat. Some matte coat. And then last but not least, we have the top coat as well. And then over to the bigger box, we have 6 polishes with the Born Pretty Gel Nail Polish User Manual. Let's see if they tell us the color. Okay, so it's a reflective glitter gel that says Snow Area Iron. And this has Delic World. This has Dream of Space. This is the Bright Sparkler. This is the Vast Sea. And this is Fire Tree. So I'm super excited to be trying out some reflective gel polishes. If you are on social media at all, you know everyone is coming out with some reflective gel polishes. And now I finally have some in my arsenal, and you guys could possibly have some too. So let's continue on with the video and let's see how they all look. You know, we have to apply our base coat. I'm really loving the gold tops here. Open it. It looks like it has a really good consistency as far as the base. It does have a mild odor to it. It's not too bad, but it is there. Alright, let's cure for 60 seconds. Alright, so let's start with the Vast Sea. Wow, that's gorgeous. That is a really pretty color. Let's move on to Fire Tree. Pretty. So pretty. Moving on to Dream of Space. Ooh, I like that one. This one has like a hint of gold in it. Camera is not giving it its justice. It is so pretty. And then next we have Bright Sparkler. Ooh, I love this one. Ooh, so freaking gorgeous. It's the purple for me. Y'all see it? Freaking gorgeous. This camera won't give it its justice. Next we have a Snow Area Iron Shine. Ooh, this one has a hint of blue in it. Ooh. Isn't it so pretty? Do you see the blue? Do you see it? So pretty. And last but not least, we have the Delic World. Can only imagine what this color could be. Ooh. This is more like a deeper red. Or maybe it's pink. Maybe it's rose gold. Yeah, it's just giving me rose gold vibes. Isn't it so pretty, guys? Isn't it so freaking pretty? So that y'all can try to see this color that is given. All right, let's cure for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna go in with the second coat. So this is after the first coat has cured. And let's go in with the second coat. This is so pretty. I'm keeping them all in the same order, guys. After the first coat has cured, second coat applied. Second coat applied. Alright, first coat cured. Can y'all see this? I might have to take y'all outside so that y'all can see this true beauty in this color. Let's apply the second coat. This may be my favorite one, y'all. I love purple. is the blue, the hint of blue. It's freaking gorgeous. And last but not least, all right, y'all, so we're gonna let this cure for 60 seconds and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna try the matte coat, the matte top coat, as well as the regular top coat, and see how pretty these colors look. All right, so this is what it looks like after it has been cured. What are you guys thinking about these colors? Aren't they pretty? Would you guys give Born Pretty reflective gel polishes a try? I think it's worth it. So far, I am thinking it's worth it. Okay, so we've already used our base coat. Now let's try this matte top coat and see how these colors turn out. These little bottles are so freaking cute. Can't wait to see how these colors look matted. If you guys are following me on my social medias at @DivaMePlz, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, you will know that matte is definitely becoming my new freaking favorite. Because matte just, I feel it, I mean, shiny, the top coat definitely makes things pop, but matte make it pop just a tad bit different, y'all. Matte make it pop a little bit different. So if y'all haven't tried matte, I challenge y'all on y'all next set to try a matte top coat and watch you feel a little different. You get to using your fingers more and everything, especially if it's on the fire set. So do it, y'all. I challenge you to matte top coat and come back here and let me know, how did y'all like it? Did y'all feel like a whole different person with that matte top coat? Because I know I do. I know my clients do as well. As soon, before they even leave my nail station, they just like, oh my gosh, I freaking love it. Just moving their hands all type of ways. It'd be so cute seeing my clients be excited about their nail sets. And it really does give me so much confidence and encouragement to continue on in my beginner nail tech journey. So I'm still working on my update for you guys. So if you guys have any particular questions that you would like me to answer about working in a salon, definitely leave those comments down below and I'll make sure I include that on my update video for you guys. It's coming soon, so don't miss out. I mean, you can always comment underneath the video and I'll answer, but I want to try to get it out to everybody, as many people as I can, so I want to do a video about it. So make sure you guys leave those comments down, those questions and comments down below, so that we can all learn and grow together. Alright, so let's cure this for 60 seconds and see how this matte turns out. I'm so excited. Guys, are you ready to see how they look matte? I don't like it. I don't like it, y'all. OMG, I don't know why I thought this was gonna be super freaking cute. It's not cute at all. It's not cute at all. Let's see if we can revive it with the super top coat. Oh, look, it's coming back to life. It's coming back to life. Well, it's safe to say that you should not matte reflective gels. Is that kind of a given? Because it's reflective, so it needs light, and matte doesn't give light. Is that true? At least we're able to revive it with the gel top coat. All right, we're gonna cure that for 60 seconds and we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like with the top coat. Isn't that gorgeous? So gorgeous. That blue is definitely more potent than that purple is. And last but not least, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. So this is what all of the colors look like. Try to get a good background for you guys to see. All so freaking gorgeous. From right to left, again, we have the vast seas. Then we have fire tree. We have dream of space, bright sparkler, snow area, iron shine, and last but not least, Delic World. Freaking gorgeous. All right, so that is going to wrap up today's unboxing, mini review, and swatches. Stay tuned to see what they look like on my hand. Let's see how they look against my skin complexion. I'm excited to already see. But make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below of which color do you guys like the most. And also comment down below what you would like to see on my channel. Share this with all of your other beginner nail tech friends so that we can all grow and learn together. And also consider subscribing to my channel. I upload every Tuesday and Friday. I have more unboxings, more mini reviews. Come to work with me, vlogging, updates on working at the salon, the whole nine. So make sure to do that, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.